Today we're going to solve LeetCode 242 valid anagram. Given two strings s and t, return true if t is an anagram of s and false otherwise. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. Okay, so basically an anagram, we have to check if s is the same as, if all the characters in s are same as the characters in t. Just the only difference is they're rearranged. So if you have s equal anagram here and t equals this word here, we can see that all the characters of s are in t, just in a different order. That's what an anagram is, so we return true. For example, 2, we have the words rat and car. We see R in S and we see R in T. Okay, cool. We see A in S and then A in the word T. Cool. We see the letter T in S, but there's no letter T in the second word. So therefore, they are not anagrams and it is false. So how do we determine if the letters are, if S, T is an anagram of S? So basically what we can do is store the count of each letter in a dictionary, and the count for both S and T, 2 dictionaries, and then we compare those dictionaries and see if they are the same. So AA is not an anagram of this, so this should return false. And this is because in a dictionary we store the character A as the key, and the value would be 2 because there's 2 of them. And in this word here we have the key A and the value would be 1, and obviously these are not equal, so return false in this case. Okay, let's do this with a different example here. So let's say we have rat and car. So in a dictionary for rat, what would look like R as the key and number 1 as the value, because there's only one R. And A is the key, 1 is the value, T 1. Similarly for car, C 1, A 1, R 1. Obviously not the same. And what about this word? This is kind of long, so I'll have a simpler example. How about rat and tar? So obviously the dictionary for rat would look the same as this guy on the left here. What would the dictionary for tar look like? Oops. 1, A 1, R 1, and these are equal. So dictionaries aren't like arrays where the order matters. The equality, sorry, I should say equals. So dictionaries aren't like arrays where order matters. Actually, it's such that the values matter. So if all the key values are the same and all the key value pairs are the same, then the dictionaries are the same. You could also do this problem with an array where you have an array of length 26, and you for each position, where position 0 is A, position 1 is B, etc., you store the count of each character in the position. So for rat, it would be A1, B0, C0, etc., etc., till we get to R, and that value would be 1, and T, or that value would be 1. And then compare this array to that of the T string and check if they're equal. But I'm just going to stick with this dictionary way here. So to code this up, what I want to do is create two dictionaries, one for S and one for T. So, and a nice shorthand in Python you can use with arrays or strings to convert those elements in them into dictionaries, where the key is the element and the value is the number of times that element appears. It would be counter. So this basically creates a dictionary for S, where the key is, like if we have the word rat, the key is R, the value is 1, key is A, value is 1, etc. That's what counter does. It's a nice shorthand in Python. And I'll create a dictionary for T. And finally what I want to do is return dictionary of S equals dictionary of T. Again, you can use an array for this, where the array has 26 elements, and each position contains a count of the corresponding character. But I'm just going to use a dictionary here. Okay, and it compiles, and I'll submit it. Great, thanks for watching.